I don't like to speak of things before they're finished, but it's so far a masterpiece, if I do say so myself.
Meet Noodles the Pooch, aka the corporate canine, who, according to her profile, is a yogi, beauty guru, and keyboard warrior. Noodles has over 450,000 followers on Instagram and over 12 million likes on TikTok, thanks to the help of her supportive parents, Scott and Yosa.
I realized we had a really smart dog in our hands, so maybe the world needs to see this.
And they are sharing some tips on how your pet can go from your own personal star to entertaining the masses on social media. Starting by finding a niche.
I think you just have to find something unique to really, if you really want to really take off.
Yeah, for sure.
For example, if they have a cool trick or skill, like Noodles' friend Ziggy.
He's really rambunctious apparently, but that's his thing.
That's his niche.
He's just quirky and he does the funniest things and he walks on his front paws.
And try to make the niche fit your pet's personality.
Noodles' personality kind of fits her character of Noodles the Pooch, the corporate canine. She's very sassy. She's maybe a little bit obnoxious. And she's just the cutest.
And bring the humor.
People love humor. Be funny, really. I think that's the key.
Next, it's important to relate to your audience.
Because the more people that can relate to your content, the more it's going to kind of spread.
And they say try to personify your pet by dressing them up or having them do things we do.
People like to see that because they can relate, right? So a lot of people really love Noodles. They latch onto her because they can relate to her.
Not only can you see Noodles working away at her computer,
we started incorporating some of her workout routines in her videos, meaning she shows kind of like a work-life balance.
Something we can all relate to, right? Moving along with plan content and post consistently.
The hardest part, I would say, is thinking of the content, planning content.
As for how many times you should post,
in the beginning stages, I was posting every single day. Now I post 3 to 4 times a week.
And don't forget about social stories.
I try to post at least a dozen stories every day and try to make most of those stories interactive.
And at the end of the day, they just say have fun, and people will fall in love like Noodles fans have. Learning how to make our furry friends pet influencers is at the top of the list.